Support the top of the gantry with a lifting rope and plug the right sensor plug. Separate the sensor circuit. Remove the left main oil pipe and block the oil circuit with a plug. Remove the right oil pipe and block the oil circuit with a plug. Remove the left tilt cylinder. Remove the right tilt cylinder. Remove the fixed tile cover of the left forklift gantry. Remove the fixed tile cover of the right forklift gantry. Finally, remove the forklift gantry assembly.